All right, now it's been a windy day here in the Great Lakes State. Today I'm taking a different approach, using charcoal. Got a beautiful pizza made. I'm gonna stoke this down a little bit. We are floating at just over 400 degrees. I'll put this pizza in. I'm gonna put it, it's on a pan, so it should be good. I'll check in a little bit. I'll turn it around as well. It's been in here about 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at that crust rising. Beautiful. Pizza has been in here about 4 minutes and we're approaching 500 degrees. Looking fabulous and hot as hell. Probably about another minute or two and it's done. It has been in there for a total of 5 minutes. All right, this pizza is done. It is done. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Is that amazing? Is that just amazingly beautiful? Now that looks just amazing. Little peek under the hood. Looks great. Really good. Let's get it cut up. Alright, let's get a slice of this piece of beauty. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. Very, very good. The Romano. The Parmesan, the mozzarella, the seasonings, the basil, the pepperoni, all comes together and it makes a beautiful, beautiful taste. I made this dough at 6 o'clock this morning. Right now it's about 2:30 p.m. 2:18. And it was well worth the wait. Not that that was really a long procedure for pizza, but very good. I'm very happy. Alright folks, thank you for watching. This pizza is amazing. Thick crust. Good. I'll see y'all later.